Understanding luggage allowance. Travel made easy. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a term that's crucial for travelers around the world: luggage allowance. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or preparing for your first trip, understanding this term is key to a stress-free journey. Let's dive in. Luggage allowance refers to the maximum weight or number of luggage pieces you're permitted to bring on a flight without incurring extra charges. It's a policy set by airlines and can vary based on factors like your ticket type, destination, or frequent flyer status. Recognizing the specifics of your luggage allowance is essential to avoid unexpected fees and hassles at the airport. There are generally two types of luggage allowance. 1. Checked luggage allowance. This pertains to the larger items you check in at the airport counter. These are stored in the aircraft's cargo hold. Each airline has its own rules on size, weight, and number of checked bags. 2. Carry-on luggage allowance. This refers to smaller bags you carry inside the cabin with you. Airlines specify size and weight limits to ensure these bags fit in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Understanding both types is crucial to pack appropriately and avoid last-minute repacking or fees. Your luggage allowance can be affected by 1. Airline policies. Every airline has its own set of rules. Always check these before packing. 2. Type of ticket. Economy class tickets often have stricter allowances compared to business or first class tickets. 3. Frequent flyer status. Members of an airline's frequent flyer program might enjoy additional allowance benefits. 4. International versus domestic flights. International flights might have different allowances compared to domestic ones. Exceeding your luggage allowance can lead to extra fees, which can be quite hefty. It's always cheaper to pre-book extra luggage online rather than paying at the airport. If you think you might exceed the allowance, it's wise to review your airline's policy on excess baggage beforehand. To manage your luggage allowance effectively. 1. Check airline policies ahead of time. Visit your airline's website for the most accurate information. 2. Weigh your luggage at home. Avoid surprises by weighing your bags before leaving for the airport. 3. Pack smart. Use packing cubes or compression bags to maximize space and minimize weight. 4. Consider luggage shipping services. If you're moving or traveling with a lot of items, it might be more economical to ship your luggage. Understanding and managing your luggage allowance can make your travel experience much smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this video has illuminated the ins and outs of luggage allowance for you. Safe travels, and don't forget to check your allowance before your next adventure.